The Finance Bill 2018 proposed a raft of new taxes aimed at shoring up tax collection in the face of widening budget deficit. Among the proposals was introduction of a new excise duty that requires customers to pay 0.05% on any transaction exceeding 500,000 shillings. The bill that came into effect on the 1st of July also increased charges on mobile transactions from the current 10% to 12%. However, the law was dealt a major blow by the High Court after Judge Wilfrida Okwany issued conservatory orders until a case filed opposing the law is heard and determined. Today, National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich says the government is preparing appeal documents through the Office of the Attorney General. Rotich says the suspension of the law is likely to impact negatively by the operations of the government since it touches on taxes. There is uncertainty over the ruling since banks and telecom operators had implemented the new law.
There are challenges in the implementation. We have discussed on how we can improve the absorption of this portfolio. Critical issues are the budgeting for the counterpart funds, which we already.
Speaking during a meeting with the African Development Bank, President Akinwumi Adesina, Rotich said the bank has agreed to finance the Mombasa Road Westland overpass.
From James Gishuru to Rironi, that is already funded under the World Bank. And from Machakos all the way to JKIA is also funded. So it's only the bit of JKIA to James Gishuru. And the designs are almost complete.
I assure the Cabinet Secretary of our support to the Tuake multipurpose dam, which will allow us to have about 20 megawatts per power, but also allow about almost 1.3 million people to have access also to water.
The African Development Bank has also agreed to finance other projects, among them dams and roads.